Hey, Deborah!
Having fun?
Yes! Lots
How
of
much fun?
I'm having so much fun at the beach!
Hey Deborah. So Tim and I are here at Huntington Beach and it's been a great day so far. The water is beautiful. It's been just a lovely day and we're having a ton of fun. We both got totally taken out by waves and ate shit. It was awesome. So we're having a really good time and we're thinking about you. And I wish that you and Aubrey could be here with us.
Hey, Deborah! We had a great day at the beach today. Really wish you could be with us. You and Aubrey would have had a blast. It's perfect weather. It was a little warmer earlier today, but it cooled off perfectly. The waves are great and the beach isn't crowded at all. Lots of fun. You missed some really great, awesome, just majestic, beautiful, walking through the wave footage. We might be able to sneak that in and kind of show you how awesome and just freaking majestic I am when I'm eating shit in the water. So,
Hashtag fucking majestic.
have fun with that. Hashtag gold medals, no? Really wish you guys were here. We're gonna have to get you out here one day to come visit. And then you can do all this with us and it'll be a lot of fun. So, talk to you later. Bye. Just sitting, watching some waves roll in, watching some people play. We're gonna watch the sunset over the beach and over the Huntington Pier. After that, we're probably gonna go walk around, have some fun, eat at Ruby's. It'll be great. And really missing you. Hoping that we're just really missing you and thinking of you while we're doing all this. So here we are. We are on the end of the pier at Ruby's Restaurant. It's been a great day. We are going to show you some more pictures of food once we get inside and stuff like that. But it's a nice night. We're on the end of the pier. Ruby's Diner, classic. Had to do it. Yay!